Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is I am light. You guys are the safety light. You guys are the torch. You're leading your community. You're leading the world into a new place, a new way of living, a new gift, a new invention. Something that you've been creating is going to change the world. You are for its safety and for its betterment. You're like a torch. You're like a lighthouse where everyone is seeing you shine. So shine bright like a diamond. Shine, baby, shine, so everyone can find you. We can follow you. We can do what's needed to be done so we can transition into our highest selves in this new season that's coming. Your gift is being able to show the way, and being the leader, being the one-on-one, the first, is a great thing to happen. So continue to stay the course. I always have hope, and no matter in the ordeal, I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. I open my heart to others and God, and I am spiritually strong. I draw light into me and I shine, baby, shine with all of my being, and you're the leadership of success. And therefore, you're going to transition to a great new world, a promised land. Blessings, manifestations going to pour into your life this next season. Continue to stay the course and stay bright. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.